read Shurley method, page 34, part 1. So we're going to do exercise 1, and today is mixed pattern. So it's no longer just pattern 3, okay? We're going to have a mixture of patterns. So let's go ahead and do number 1. The icy roads cause many wrecks. So what caused many wrecks? Road, subject, noun. What is being said about the roads? Cause what? Verb. Cause what? Wrecks. Are wrecks the same thing as roads? No, so that is the direct object. Cause becomes the verb transitive. What kind of wreck? Adjective. What type of roads? So this one is subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct object, pattern, to, check. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, because there isn't one. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Did the astronauts land safely on the moon? Who landed safely on the moon?
Astronauts. Subject noun.
What is being said about the astronauts?
Did land.
Did land. So did is the helping verb. Land is the verb. Okay. Landed how?
Safely.
Adverb. On. On what? Okay. The pattern.
Subject noun. Verb. Pattern. Check.
On the moon. Prepositional phrase. Question mark. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Astronauts and land. Is there an adverb exception? No, there is not, because it's after it, right? Okay. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Inverted. So underline the astronauts once and land safely twice. Their army advanced to the gates of the enemy city. So who advanced to the gates of the enemy city?
Army. Subject noun.
What is being said about army?
Advanced.
Okay. Then let's see. To position to where? The of what? City? What kind of adjective? Possessive noun adjective, because it has an apostrophe s, right? So the who is army? What kind of possessive pronoun adjective? Okay, pattern. Okay, to the gate of the enemy city. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Okay. You will do number 4 for homework. And the pattern is subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Okay. So that is what you guys will do for homework is number 4.